cannonball. Oh, cannonball.
Oh, cannonball. I said, oh, Tannenbaum.
Just like
Bomb.
that.
Holy Christ.
I
It's a
got
little
it.
dry.
Woo!
God.
This is a tree lighting ceremony.
Just think, that was at our house a week ago.
Yeah, the tree lighting ceremony.
Official tree lighting ceremony.
Glad we didn't leave
Oh,
the Christmas lights
Tannenbaum.
too long.
Wow.
Oh my goodness!
Look how fast
it's
that went up.
beautiful. Look at how sparkly everything. All the needles.
So pretty. Oh, look! It's my camera's not getting all that fine stuff that's floating.
No.
They're getting ready to set those other trees on
yeah.
fire.
Yeah. Trying to get the whole thing.
Sparkly.
It is. This is better than last night's fireworks. almost.
Wow.
You're right. I didn't need a flash.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I got.
Gosh, I'm just thinking if that was that ready to go up the
Yeah.
flame.
Yeah. There goes the living room.
Bottom's not catching on fire.
It's gone.
It will, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this is very nice.
It's a different kind of Christmas light. It's pretty looking up.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Some people throw the switch and multicolored lights come on, but...
Mhm.
Oh, wow.
We just...
Oh,
Wow,
That's
it's
pretty.
fireworks.
Yeah, it's getting some of those little ashes, the little embers
sure
now.
are.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's going to have a big puddle. It's going to be sitting in a big puddle.
Yeah.
Oh, that is really...
Oh, that's really cool when you go up.
I know, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
I'm getting that. That's really pretty.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, that was excellent.
That was. But you know what? It lasted longer than $100 worth of fireworks.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Plus, it only cost $34.
Yeah. That was a bargain.
And it had dual purposes.
Yeah, it was a multi-use tree.
Yep, almost lasted a month. Actually,
Yeah.
actually didn't.
Wow.
Because we got it at the end of November.
Yeah.
That is really pretty.
No, I bet you guys are going to be doing this every year, too, now.
Yeah, I think I will. Can be our New Year's Eve thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fireworks and
Look,
and the tree.
Boy, all those needles went away.
Look at that! It burned right down to the.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be, like you said, right into the
Wow.
snow.
Wow.
Wow. That is really cool.
I love the way the needles looked when they were just all lit up like that.
I like the way they float up into the sky.
Mm-hmm. Like firecrackers. Fireflies.
Yes, they are. They're exactly like just a bunch of red-hot fireflies.
Red hot, yep.
Hopefully the fire department's not coming soon.
It'll be out by the time they get here.
Yeah.
You can say, what fire?
What fire?
What are you talking about?
We've been home all night. We haven't seen a fire.
No.
Yeah. Well, thank you,
Wow.
Mr. Christmas Tree. It was just really wonderful having you with us, and
How fun.
Beautiful. Well, I'm getting it from very start to very finish here. You're right. It burned every single needle.
yeah.
It's going to burn right down into the snow.
Yeah. Well,
Gosh, there's not much left. We're
still pretty on this video.
Yeah, mine is pretty too.
Wow.
Okay, I'm ready to
It
go.
burned so fast I didn't have time to drink my wine.
I
No.
know.
Didn't have a taste.
Wow. I should have a straw and I could.
Yes.
could
We're going to hold it for you for a while.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm good. This is
Good.
almost out.
I'm gonna go out now.
It's almost out.
Aww. Well, here's to 2013.
Oh, definitely. Oh, this is some of that really good wine, isn't it?
Mhm.
Oh, clink, clink. Wow.
My girl's here.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I can't really see it too well, but